Here is a fit raw chicken salad with yogurt ceviche dressing for 2 servings. Prep time 25 minutes. A light Portuguese-inspired healthy meal. 150 grams of skinless chicken breast. This is the main protein for the raw ceviche-style salad. 1 medium cucumber, crisp and chilled, for crunch and freshness. 1 small carrot, peeled and ready to julienne for a crunchy element. 1 ripe avocado, sliced for creaminess and healthy fats. 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced for a mild sharp bite. 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt to make the tangy ceviche-style dressing. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil for a silky note in the dressing. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to cure the raw chicken gently and add brightness. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard to add depth to the dressing. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro for herbaceous brightness. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste to season the salad. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Trim any connective tissue from 150 grams of skinless chicken breast and slice the chicken into thin bite-sized strips about 1/4 inch thick. Mix 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of salt in a small bowl. Add the sliced chicken and toss to coat. Marinate in the refrigerator for 10 minutes to allow the acid to gently cure the chicken. While the chicken marinates, thinly slice 1/4 red onion and peel and julienne 1 small carrot. Keep the slices separated on the cutting board. Slice 1 medium cucumber into thin half moons and carefully dice 1 ripe avocado into even cubes. Set aside the avocado to avoid browning. Drain any excess marinade from the chicken. In a medium bowl, fold the marinated chicken with the cucumber slices, carrot julienne, sliced red onion and 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro until evenly combined. Taste the salad and add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Toss gently to distribute the seasoning evenly. Spoon the mixed chicken ceviche salad into a shallow bowl and arrange the diced avocado on top. Drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil if desired and give one final gentle toss. This is the final step. Garnish the salad with a few cilantro leaves and a final grind of black pepper. Serve chilled immediately. Now we'll finish and close the recipe. Enjoy this fit raw chicken salad with yogurt ceviche dressing. If you liked this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell for more healthy Portuguese-inspired dishes.